The word re-election doesn't even exist at the Indian Constitution. No such word could be found in the India Commission as well as in the State Commission. This ability, in short, supreme power for re-election lies only with the Election Commission of India, says Mongve Rongpi, MEC of KAAC. On 19 August, a press conference was called by BJP at Deephu to clarify over the re-election rule. During the press conference, BJP accuses APHLC for manipulating and contaminating the minds of the innocent public by coating their minds with the subject of KAAC re-election. APHLC wants the sixth schedule to be implemented as per the Constitution of India. Therefore, BJP asks the APHLC to stop doing such activity, as India is a democratic country and every citizen, including the APHLC, must abide by the Indian Constitution. When look upon the Indian Constitution, there is no any such word like re-election on it. So, if the APHLC is purely constitutionalist, they must also abide by the Constitution, and manipulating the minds of the innocent civilians by brainwashing with the subject of conduction re-election must be stopped. Calling people for public rallies, sit in demonstration under the scorching is unacceptable by the BJP. BJP cares for its people and they are deeply concerned about them, says Mongve Rongpi, MEC of Carbin Autonomous Council.
Bangke laki intongan po. Mislead ang ni. Laki gorong pen rat tuphan hat harna to nahi. Ha procession a kilometer to nahi po gaya. Laki kachinek bangke ilitum BJP to bangke pardikte. Pamaili to bangke rating hondu.
Daniel Langthasa would also soon merge with the BJP, and we have also witnessed several notable leaders from the APHLC merging with the Saffron Party in the recent days. The general election of the KAAC had peacefully and successfully concluded on 20 June. After that, all the elected members of the KAAC took the oath in presence of the Governor of Assam and Chief Minister of Assam. The chairman of KAAC was also elected democratically. Likewise, 4 MSs were also nominated accordingly. All these procedures and formalities were done as per the Indian Constitution. APHLC demanding for re-election in KAAC is baseless, says Phanpiga Rengma, MEC KAAC.
Tenhole mane amar Karbi Anglor raise confused hoi jabo ar he confused hole mane ami ejone ejonok ami bisas koribo nora hoi jabo reply ami request korisu je re-election kothatu amar birodhi dole je koi ase ami etu ketiao mani lobo noaru aru june honise dekhe hokolo etu mani lobo nalage boli moi mohokoluke request korisu.
Mohan Tiso, ex-chairman, Town and Country Planning, Roshmi Terangpi, president of Minority ST Morcha, were also present at the press conference. News Desk report for Carbin Live.